you don't need like an alternate currency system. Unfortunately, a bunch of ideas have been conflated because people are trying to hype up different things. But this idea of large scale multiplayer social gaming, that notion of the metaverse, there's 600 to 800 million people playing that kind of game every month. So like that's real and that's happening and it's very much underway. Uh, VR has a much smaller audience. I don't think you need VR to have anything like this. Like VR is hardware that may or may not enhance the experience for some usage cases. For some, it will probably be better, and for some, it will probably be worse. But certainly, there's not any set of battle royale players flocking to VR. And the other thing is NFT is it's like you know trying to equate digital or cryptocurrency to the metaverse. It's like well it's just a way of, denoting money or value exchange. You can do that with money, or you can do it with NFTs or whatever, but there's nothing about this future digital economy that fundamentally requires cryptocurrency or whatever. What you need is interoperability. Interoperability can happen through a blockchain, it can happen through a database, it can happen through standards bodies with defining standards and protocols, and we've been doing it for hundreds of years since the railroads were standardized, and, it's not something that totally requires a novel technological solution.
Yeah, I mean, even on the topic of cryptocurrency, it's very frustrating. Blockchain and crypto is a really powerful technology that I think can enable a lot of the things that we're talking about. But so many people use it to try to to try to make money, to create these bubbles and the hype and the meme coins and the so on and so forth. That becomes much less about that drifts far away and rapidly from things that are actually of value, which is the experience of playing Fortnite and how you look when you play Battle Royale. I mean, it sounds ridiculous to say, but it's true. That's valuable. That's like, you have like gold in the physical space. We know that holds value. How your outfit looks like in Fortnite, that as you're saying, provably holds value. And so you want to connect like a standard uh definition of money value to that and not let it become this hype thing, which NFTs that you mentioned are just become that. It quickly drifts away into the land of people trying to buy and sell and trying to make money versus like staying close to the thing that people actually value. Forget the money. It's more about exchanging valuable experiences or things of value so you can play Fortnite and then go to another video game and continue the valuable experience and then come back to Fortnite and do that kind of thing.